Ever wondered why life seems to become a whirlwind of stress and tension? Why the everyday hustle and bustle leaves us feeling drained and overwhelmed? Well, it turns out you're not alone. With the pace of our contemporary lifestyle, stress has become an unwelcome guest in our lives, often causing harm to our health and well-being. The question then arises, how do we combat this invisible enemy? The answer might surprise you. It's as simple as using our imagination. Yes, you heard it right. Guided visualization, a technique that leverages the power of imagination, has been a subject of study for its potential in stress reduction. Hello, stress warriors and relaxation seekers. Welcome to Reality Radar. I'm your host, Lavish, and today we're delving into a hypothesis that taps into the power of the mind. Can guided visualization effectively reduce stress? Embark with us on a journey into the in-depth world of scientific research, where countless studies have delved into the intriguing realm of guided visualization. Specifically, let's explore a study conducted by the University of California. In this particular research, 100 participants were invited for a 6-month-long study. They were asked to visualize a serene place, employing specific guided visualization techniques. These techniques involved using descriptive language to paint a vivid mental picture and employing grounding exercises to anchor their minds in this peaceful setting. The goal of this approach was to enable their minds to drift away from the immediate stresses of everyday life. The findings were nothing short of fascinating, with the majority of participants reporting a significant decrease in their perceived stress levels. Now you might be wondering, how does a simple act of imagination help in reducing stress? Well, the answer lies in our brain's incredible ability to interpret imagery as reality. When we visualize a calm and serene place, our brain can't differentiate between the imagined and the actual. This triggers a relaxation response, reducing stress and promoting a sense of peace. In a remarkable study conducted by the eminent Cleveland Clinic, guided visualization was employed in patients scheduled for surgery. A sizable group of 200 participants took part in this year-long study, which significantly helped to validate the results. The study utilized specific visualization techniques, where patients were asked to envisage themselves in serene locations, such as a tranquil beach or a lush green meadow just before their surgery. The patients who implemented this technique reported experiencing significantly lower levels of anxiety. What's more interesting is that they were less likely to request pain medication post-surgery. The power of the mind to alleviate discomfort was put to a true test, and the results were highly encouraging. The benefits of guided visualization, especially in the context of surgery, are manifold. Beyond just the reduction in the need for pain medication, it also expedites the recovery process. Patients using this technique are able to rebound faster, getting back to their normal lives in a shorter span of time. Moreover, overall patient satisfaction markedly improves. The ability to control anxiety and pain perception leads to a more positive surgical experience, enhancing patient satisfaction. Thus, the Cleveland Clinic study underscores the profound benefits and potential of using guided visualization in medical procedures. Moreover, a study by the University of Manchester found that guided visualization not only reduces stress, but also improves mood and sleep quality. Participants who visualized positive images before sleep reported better sleep quality and woke up feeling more refreshed. The power of our imagination is indeed formidable. Guided visualization, a simple yet effective technique, has shown significant potential in reducing stress. Various studies have confirmed its effectiveness, with participants reporting lower stress levels, reduced anxiety, and improved mood and sleep quality. So the next time you find yourself grappling with stress, remember, your imagination might just be the key to your relief. Visualization is not just about daydreaming, it's a scientifically backed method to help you cope with stress and enhance your overall well-being. So, why not give it a try? After all, a little imagination can go a long way in alleviating stress and creating a more peaceful life for ourselves. That wraps up our examination of the effects of guided visualization on stress reduction. If you found the journey calming, give it a thumbs up and share it with those seeking a mental escape. Stay mindful, stay serene. Until next time, this is Lavish from Reality Radar signing off.